Android smartphones are embracing the notch first seen on Apple iPhone X in increasing numbers. While the addition of a notch allows for an increased screen real estate, it also allows smartphone makers to get rid of the top and bottom bezels, in other words, create a smartphone with edge-to-edge display. Apple is the only company to come really close to a bezel-less smartphone with edge-to-edge display design. However, Samsung might outdo its Cupertino rival with the launch of Galaxy S10 next year. The smartphone has leaked in the form of a render once again, suggesting it will have higher screen-to-body ratio than its predecessor. The image, which shows the bottom and sides of the device, hints at the smartphone being completely bezel-less. Samsung is currently believed to be working on the Galaxy Note 9 and has not offered much information about the Galaxy S10. It is also hard to judge that the leaked image is indeed the next-generation Galaxy S flagship. However, if this leaked image is of the Galaxy S10, then there is still a lot of mystery on what's happening around the top of the smartphone. In the past, multiple reports have indicated that Samsung is planning to launch its flagship Galaxy S smartphone early next year. The report indicates Samsung is planning to launch Galaxy S10 during CES 2019 in January. It is also rumored to be preparing a foldable smartphone for Mobile World Congress launch in February next year. The reports are in line with a similar report stating that Samsung is looking to launch the Galaxy Note 9 in July as opposed to regular launch time frame of August. The leaks so far indicate that the Galaxy S10 will be the first 5G-enabled smartphone using Qualcomm's latest mobile broadband chipset with 5G support. The smartphone might also pack the next-generation Snapdragon 855 chipset and a display fingerprint sensor. Technology companies, including Apple and Samsung, have promised flagship devices with designs that have virtually no bezels. However, they are yet to deliver on the vision of a true bezel-less smartphone. Will Samsung be the first to break the jinx? That only time can answer.